Yeah, Varun. Uh,
Good morning.
yeah, good morning. I just want to know more about your introduction part because
Yes, sir.
just interacting with you first time. So I just want to
Yes,
know
sir.
about you, what your achievements and your education qualifications, and then how as a mechanical, how you what practice you have done because your lesson will be the lesson for the other computer science engineering student also. That
Yes, sir.
how anybody can do that process and the selections, right? So you have to give these two responses. Yeah.
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, thank you for giving me the opportunity. I am Varun Vyas, and I live in Udaipur. Apart from my parents, I have two sisters in my family, and I am pursuing BTech in mechanical engineering. And talking about my skill sets, I have expertise in Python, C, MATLAB, machine learning. Sir, in our first year, we used to have our C coding classes. From there, I started to code a little bit. And from there, I started to build logic for different questions and I started working on them. Basically, star patterns were my favorite. So in some boring lectures in college as well, I used to code for those interesting star pattern in just my notebook, and then I just usually came home and then just try that code that I have written in the computer. So like that, I started doing some coding, and then basically my friend circle is all about those CS students. So they usually gave me some coding questions like they used to get from their classes. So I used to try them by myself or just browse about those questions, and from there I started to code. And then I got fascinated with this coding, and I started working on it. And that's how, sir, that's how I cracked the MetaCube. Yes, sir.
Okay. Or how, who has really motivated you to do the programming kind of things? Is there some student or some faculty or how it has just came into your mind to do this?
Sir, to be very specific, it was not just a person actually. First time I coded when we used to have classes with Giri sir in our first sem. From there, I used to have some type of competitions with my colleagues, which were in CS branch. So from there, I started to code, and then just uh, a nice environment got set up where I used to compare my skills of coding with them, and we just share our processes and everything like that. And sometimes I have teach them my methods, and from there it I just realized that yes, I can do coding, and it's interesting. So from there, I started all of this coding, and
Okay.
that's how I did it.
So from that onwards, you are only focusing on the coding part, not the mechanical part, or you are also working on the mechanical stuffs with the coding.
No, sir. I am also working on mechanical stuffs like basic stuffs. Actually, it was just my interest till the pandemic, and then I started a course named self-driving cars, which fused them both. Like it has the coding part as well, and at the basic part it has the structure of a car, and it has to maneuver on the different conditions. So sir, that was the maybe you can say that was the, sir, my life changing point where I started that course. I realized that yes, I can do them both. So I browsed about it. They said that it use machine learning and artificial intelligence, and then sir, I started learning machine learning. And sir, it's my lifelong goal now that I have to work on these self-driving cars for our India.
Very nice, very nice. So in mechanical, if you will get a better opportunity than MetaCube, then again you will move over to mechanical branch, and then you will go ahead with the mechanical jobs. Then what is the use to hire you as a mechanical engineer in the company?
Uh, Sir, if we talk about my mechanical skills, I like anything there. But if I talk about my coding skills and knowledge about those things, I surely lacks a lot of knowledge because I haven't studied anything. I have just practiced all by myself. So I lack in some basic knowledge. But I think, sir, if I work in this software field, I will get the knowledge which I lack. Plus, I have the basic knowledge of my mechanical field as well. So it would be really nice if I try to be focused on that coding part and the knowledge associated with that.
Okay. It
Yes, sir.
means you want to pursue your career with MetaCube, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we just knew about your earlier selections in V2 Solutions, or you have already confirmed the joinings. If we will select you, then how you will manage? Because already you have to join the V2 Solutions.
Yes, sir. Actually, I didn't knew that I would be able to crack MetaCube. If I did, or if I knew that I would be able to crack it, I wouldn't have said yes to them. And I think I have to apologize to them that I think,
Okay.
sir.
So, any mechanical engineer can learn this software development. There is no issue at all if they have the interest.
So the basic part is the problem solving mindset. Sir, if you are given any task and you just think about that and think about that until you get any solution for that typical question, then the rest is just the syntax of any code. So you just have to think the process of that any task, and rest is anyone can learn that, sir.
Okay. Okay, Varun. Nice talking to you. I'll request Rathod sir to take the next part of the interview.
Good morning, sir.
Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You seem to be very much interested in coding,
Yes, sir.
and your project, where you said that you work with self-driven car,
Yes, sir.
that is kind of a fusion between your mechanical expertise and coding.
Yes, sir.
My question is, how important creativity and innovative mind is in coding, because coding goes by set procedures.
Yes, sir. Sir, creativity is a very basic fundament requirement, if you can say that there are many solutions to any typical situation. So the most, sir, the most feasible solution is that which is very like creative, which is not the conventional way to do it. Like you have just skipped those some of the steps which is done in the conventional, and still you are getting the result what even those conventional method cannot achieve. So that's where the this part come in handy. And I think, sir, it's very fundamental to have creativity in your work.
Okay. Why MetaCube?
Sir, for MetaCube, I think there are several things, but the main thing I'm concerned about is they work on data analytics part. And if I elaborate it a little bit more, there is a very large amount of data analytics done in the self-driving cars. Like it fetches the all the images around you, and it gets the position from the GPSs and all, and then just it's a analytics. It perform analytics on that data. So that's what I want to learn from this company. And apart from that, sir, like my friend Rhythm told, that it has a very nice learning curve. So, sir, these two things drive me to apply for this and crack this interview.
Okay. Okay, Varun, tell me, what is your source of information about MetaCube?
Sir, my source of information was first of all the CDC group, and apart from that, I have a friend which has a friend working there. So I just told him to get some information about MetaCube company when I saw the message that MetaCube is hiring from our college.
Okay.
So that would be the source.
So can you describe us what your friend's friend told you?
Sir, my friend's friend told him that this is a very nice company, works basically on it's a product-based company, and it's never short on any product project. So, sir, I will get a very nice opportunity to work on various projects, various kind of projects, and he told me that the work environment is very friendly and very nice, and it's one of the best companies you can get placed.
Okay. Okay, Varun, if I ask you to describe Varun in one sentence, what would that
Yes, sir.
description be?
Sir, that would be like Varun is a very positive nature being with a very straightforward mindset, and have the ability to solve various problems. That would be
Okay.
it, sir.
Okay, Varun, nice talking to you, and all the best. Right.
Thank you, sir.
And before I
Yes,
end,
sir.
one suggestion: in your first description of yours, you said that you have an expertise on Python.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So my
Yes, sir.
suggestion would be to replace the word expertise, right? Or by
Yes, sir.
you can say, that, okay, sir, I'm quite confident on working on Python and things like that. Because the work expertise, since you have not yet been into that field, it doesn't go
Yes,
well
sir.
for a person who is interviewing you may take it otherwise, right? That is one thing.
Okay.
And second thing would be your hand movements is a little unwarranted actually. You are in a habit
Okay,
of
sir.
too much of hand movements, I think. ठीक है,
Yes,
तो
sir.
दोनों हाथ को नीचे पकड़ के रख लेना आपस में, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. I
ये
will
हाथ तो
keep it
दिखेंगे
in
नहीं
mind.
वहां पे, तो दोनों हाथ को क्लैंप करके रख लेना, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
चलो, okay then, all the best.
Thank you, sir.